Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth and Boxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the October Boxycharm by IPSY. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm by IPSY, it is a monthly subscription box. You will pay $30 a month unless you get it for more months at a time. It gets a little bit cheaper as you do that. There may be specials and discounts for your first month or first subscription. You will get 5 full-size items, 2 of which are picked by IPSY and 3 you get to pick yourself. And there are always choices that you can add on to your box after the fact, which I did a couple of. I'm very excited for. I cannot wait to show you what IPSY picked for me, what I picked for me, and what I also bought in addition to this box. Before we get into this box, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know what you like as we go through. What are your favorite picks that we have in this box? Let me know what your thoughts are on Boxycharm in general, if you got it before and you got it now, and what you think the differences are, if any. I would love to hear it, but for now, let's check this one out. And there's our box. We have a Boxycharm folder, and this is Beauty Nightmares is the theme for this box. I hope it's not really a nightmare. We shall see. This has some information. This does not have any information, I don't think, about the products in our box. It just has some tips and information that you can use if you want to. The box itself, this is the only protection in the box, is a halfway around the box piece of paper. I haven't had anything come broken as a result, but they don't put padding or anything in the box to help stabilize it other than this. These are the items in my box. Again, they just come like that. I'm going to show you first the products that IPSY picked for me. The first one, I thought this was going to be bigger. This is a Reina Rebelde palette, and this is a cheek palette. This is a On Your Face Contour Color Trio, and this is Adorata, I believe, is what that says. And let me get it open and show you what we have. This is the front of the package, or the front of the palette. And this is these are the colors. There is a mirror. These are the colors in the palette. We have a contour, we have a highlighter, and we have a blush. So this is just an all over your face palette from Reina Rebelde, and this is one of our full-size products that IPSY picked. The next item that IPSY picked is a Delish lip scrub. Wasn't super honestly thrilled with the product that IPSY picked. They're really there's not really exciting products, but we have a lip scrub, and this is from Delish. There's really nothing on the package that I can really show you. It doesn't show up really well, but it's just a lip scrub from Delish. The first item I picked for myself is a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and this is the 6-ounce size, so we have a really nice product from First Aid Beauty. The next product that I picked for myself is a glitter eyeliner duo, and this looked really cool. I've gotten a few glitter eyeliners from P. Louise. I actually ordered some from Temu that I like, but this one is really neat. It has a crayon on one end and a glitter on the other, and that is a really nice glitter that very much is reminiscent of the one I got from P. Louise. And this end is a twist up brown. So you lay down the brown first, and you can then go over it with the glitter and make a really pretty look. I'm excited to try that one. This is from Luna Magic Glitter Eyeliner Duo. The last item that I picked for myself is a Living Proof product. This is actually a Living Proof product I have not tried. This is a full thickening blow dry cream. So this is a blow dry cream from Living Proof. This is a full-size product. I love Living Proof. I have the Perfect Hair Day and the Triple Bond Strengthener in my hair as we speak, and I really enjoy their products, so I'm excited to try this one. I did also have a couple add-ons. The first one is a Tatcha, and this is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair. Tatcha is a really great brand. I've tried some of the other products, and this one looked really fun, and that is a good size little pot. These were $3.50 add-ons. So a $3.50 add-on, I got a really nice Tatcha, and this is I can't read the size on it. I will have to look at it with a magnifier and show you what it is. The The next item, and this is the only other product that I added, was the Cat Berkey. And this is a Nutrient C Eye Cream, and this is a 1/2 ounce. This was also a $3.50 add-on. This is exactly the amount of product you get in the full-size product for like $90. It's just in a squeezy tube instead of a pretty glass bottle. So I got one of these in a previous IPSY Glam Bag, and I've been looking at the add-ons since then to look for it, and they finally added it back in. So I grabbed me one. I'm almost emptied out the first one. It's really good cream. So I got this one and the Tatcha for my add-ons. They were $3.50 each. Again, the picks from IPSY were a Reina Rebelde palette and a lip scrub. I picked the First Aid Beauty Living Proof and the glitter from Luna Beauty. This was a great box from Boxycharm by IPSY. We got some good products. We definitely got our money's worth in this box. The First Aid Beauty and the Living Proof were individually probably as much or more. I'm sure this one was much more than the $30 this box cost. So I enjoy it. If you guys want to check it out, I will leave the link for you below in the description. Please leave me some comments how you like this video and if you like the products that I picked, and I would like to know what you picked for your Boxycharm by IPSY if you are a subscriber for them as well. If you did like this video and would like to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth Unboxes and hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.